Okay, so now we at Samsung. Samsung screens.
Samsung screens?
Yeah.
Yes.
Samsung DLPs.
Okay, Samsung screen. Samsung has three. This is the type of modern TV. Yes.
Yeah.
Three types of technique. You can get plasma TV.
Yeah.
Yes. This is a technique with gases. You know.
Yeah.
Yes. You have many parts of it. Then you have gases inside. Then from an electric impulse, it's exploded, and you get light to your TV screen.
Yeah.
Yes. This is the first one. This is plasma. It
Okay.
has advanced that it's very flat. Yes.
Yeah.
Because you only have one ground and then your TV screen.
Okay.
Yes. And on LCD, it's also a little bit a kind of
Flat?
chemical flat
Yeah.
sensor. You have liquid parts, yes,
Yeah.
where you can flow the color and the light through your monitor.
Yeah.
And this one is quite different. Yes?
DLP. Okay.
DLP, it's a projecting TV. That means you have a little chip with many mirrors, so you can imagine inside. Yes.
Yeah.
Then you can have a lamp from the background, from which comes the light
Yeah.
through a wheel of color. Then it goes to the mirrors, and then it works a little bit like a lens. Then you can get your picture on the monitor.
Okay.
Yeah?
So,
Okay.
how about the difference in price? Is this one cheaper than plasma and and LCD?
Yes.
Is the cheapest technology?
Yes. Because here you have only a projector.
Yeah.
Yes. And it means you can get a panel, yes,
Yeah.
then you can make many sizes of your picture.
Okay.
It's possible because of the projection.
Okay.
Yes, that means it's much more cheaper.
And the quality is kind of okay. It's not as good as plasma, or it's the same?
Okay, there are also still a difference in quality
Yeah.
between plasma LCD and this one. Because this is a projection,
Yeah.
and this one, okay, if you see, it's a little bit more detailed.
The quality
The
is kind
color
of different, okay.
is better on plasma and LCD.
Okay.
But if you don't have the money or you don't want to pay a real plasma monitor, but you want a very big picture, then this one is the best alternative possibility.
Okay.
It's much more cheaper.
And it's kind of around 7,000 euro, maybe?
This one, yes.
Yeah?
A direct comparison is this one. On the 50s, yes, this is the second monitor.
Yeah.
It costs on DLP 2,400 euro. On plasma, the same size would be 7,000 euro.
Ah, okay.
Yes?
Yeah.
So that's a quite different.
But there's still a difference in price between 50 and 71. Even though it's...
Because of the size, yes.
Just the
You need
size,
some more. You need another panel. You need more mirrors and something like this.
Okay.
Yes. And this has also
1080.
1080.
Yeah. So the difference in price between 67 and 71. This one is 720p only.
Yes.
And how much is that?
And this is 4,900.
Okay. So so 5,000 and 7,000 for 1080p. So it's still a little some difference.
Yes.
Yeah.
But I think this is the first. This is the biggest one on DLP on the world.
Do you think it's possible to connect a camera like this? Is it just component cable?
Yes.
Is there also Firewire input?
Oh, this I don't know.
No, maybe not. But there's a component.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They are all components.
Do you know for demonstration what source it's coming from? Where is it getting the quality it's getting from a computer? Or do you know if there's a player somewhere playing the video? Behind there's something?
There's behind something. It's a platine or you can say.
Some kind of player? It's from Samsung?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah?
This I'm not sure.
Are you not sure?
The chip, which reflected is from Texas Instruments. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
The lights are from other producers. And it will be also that it's not from
You know anything? You know the other things over there?
No, not detailed.
You're just working DLP?
Yes.
Okay,
I'm
I'll ask
working
them.
on DLP and projecting.
Okay,
Yes?
thank you.
But
Bye.
if you want some more information,
No,
then
it's fine.
you can.
Paprika oder Früherdbeer, Pfirsiche, meistens schon ein Drittel der Ware, wo gesetzliche Grenzen.
So, where's your camera?
Camera is this one, but you have an external camera like this.
You have an external camera?
Yeah.
And it goes there?
Yeah,
Can I see?
you
Can I see it
switch
there?
Here on, yeah. I show you.
Can you turn the screen?
Yeah.
So now you're filming me with the camera. Can you film me with your arm?
Yeah, I can film, but one moment.
So now it's the arm.
So now I'm filming you with my arm, eh?
Okay.
Like that, like
Nice.
this. Yeah.
All right. That's
Okay.
okay. That's cool. Do you know how much it cost
Yeah, 849
for all this?
for the whole set, yeah.
For the whole set with the camera?
For the camera, there's included one MP3 player.
Yeah.
You have voice recording. Speaker.
But it's only for the memory stick. Memory stick. You put
There
power stick
is
in.
a 1 GB stick memory inside, but you can turn an external memory stick.
Do you know how it's called? This machine?
This machine.
How is it called?
The stick.
Sports cam.
Ah, yeah.
It's a sports cam.
Sports camcorder.
Okay. And then you plug it to the computer and.
Yeah.
Okay.
The USB stick.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
One moment.
Okay. One moment.
Can I take the other one, the J70?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
So there you have. What do you have? Is like an MP3 player but with video?
Yes, it's a MP3 player. It's
Yeah.
a multimedia jukebox. It can have 20 GB or 30 GB.
Yeah.
It has a 1.8 inch screen.
Yeah.
You can see videos and have the tone. You also can listen to radio or MP3s you play on. You can record from the radio
Okay. Record. Yeah.
here. Yes.
Yeah.
You can play games
Yeah.
and you can view photos.
Okay.
Yes. You can put photos on your digital camera or your camcorder without
put it
a
directly
computer.
it?
Yes, put it directly on the MP3 player
How do you do that? You
by
put-
the USB host.
Ah,
There's
okay,
a
USB host.
USB host.
Okay.
This one. Yeah.
And so, do you know what resolution MPEG-4 plays?
No, I don't know.
It's just small MPEG-4 files.
Yes, MP4
Okay.
files. And the other, also MP3 or grobes VMA, VMF.
Yeah. And you can
Yes.
connect this to a TV? Or,
Yeah.
or you can watch this on a TV?
Yes, you can watch.
The video?
Yes. And a notebook,
Yeah.
computer, everything.
Just can you show one game?
Yes,
Just
you can
to
show.
see? Tetris. Ah, it's
Yeah,
cool.
Tetris.
Ah, Tetris. Okay, nice. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.